In this video, we will give you information about the residence permit and a step-by-step guide through the process. The website of the Finnish Immigration Service at migrate.fi provides a step-by-step guide for the residence permit and all the information you need. You want to apply because you want to arrive and stay in Finland. On this site, you will find the application form that best suits your situation. For example, if you are an EU citizen and you are staying longer than 90 days, you need to register your right of residence. The registration takes some time and has an application fee. You can start the process when you are already in Finland. If you are a non-EU EEA student with study place in Finland and are staying longer than 90 days, you have to apply for a residence permit. On this page, you can see the processing time and the fee you have to pay. There is also a step-by-step guide through the process. First, you need to check if you fulfill all the requirements. For example, you need to have a valid passport. You are responsible to show that you have enough funds for living in Finland. Under means of support, you get more information about that. You must have 560 euros per month you stay, or 13,440 euros for 2 years as a bank deposit or as a scholarship or grant. As a non-EU EEA student, you might have to pay a tuition fee. If you pay the tuition fee after arriving in Finland, as we recommend, please attach documentation of necessary means for paying the tuition fee. You cannot use means reserved for your support to pay the tuition fee. If you have been exempted from paying tuition fees partially or entirely, or received a scholarship, you have to present a certificate from the educational institution. Often it is included in the letter of admission. You can show all your funds through a bank statement from your own bank account. More information on how to prove your income can be found on the bottom of this page. The second requirement is the study place. You must be accepted to an educational institution. To prove that, you use the letter of admission you have received from Akademi University. The last requirement is the health insurance. Health insurance must be obtained prior to applying for a residence permit. The insurance must be valid for the duration of studies. If your studies take 2 years, your insurance must cover expenses up to 40,000 euros. On this page are a few possible insurances listed. Please make sure that the document about your insurance covers the here listed information. Here are the general attachments which you need to submit in your application. Required is a valid passport and a passport photo. On the website of the police, you can find the requirements. For example, photograph format, lighting or background. Please check these criteria before submitting your photo. Here are all application-specific attachments. Please prepare and translate your documents before opening your electronic application. You can open your account on Enter Finland. You will create a new account. You will find 2 options. You can identify through electronic identification, for example Finnish online banking, or EIDAS identification for EU citizens. If you have neither, you can create an account with your email address. Through the application form, you should submit all your information and documents. If you have the possibility to get the Finnish ID code with your residence permit card, please do so. After you have submitted your application, you have to pay the processing fee also through e-services. Then you book an appointment at the embassy for identification and fingerprinting. You can find the embassy on the webpage of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs at um.fi. Please take the original document with you and arrange an appointment in advance. If there is no Finnish embassy or consulate in your country, you have to visit another country. Under Finland Abroad, you can find a list of embassies. There you should find your country. On each side, you can see for which countries they are responsible, how to make an appointment, and you can find their visiting address. After your appointment, you wait for the decision. You can see how long the process takes at the processing time checker. You applied for a residence permit. You are applying because of studies, and this is your first permit. You already applied at Enter Finland, and your appointment at the embassy was, for example, at the 15th of April. Your process will take 1 to 3 months. Please note that the process starts when you visit the embassy and the end of the process is the decision. It still takes some time to serve you the decision and get the permit card. Note that it takes around 2 weeks to manufacture and post a residence permit card. After you have picked up your residence card, you can travel to Finland. As you can see, the process takes some time, so please start immediately when you get the letter of admission. Also, prepare your documents in advance. Then you can travel to Finland, and we will warmly welcome you here at Akademi University.